red tag means we can look into the future and stop any critical downtime due to motor failures.
For me, red tag means bringing leading edge technology to CCE to drive improvements in the way we run our business.
So here we have our automatic storage and retrieval system. So we have 7 kilometres of this chain and around 650 motors, 700 motors, driving all these pallet conveyors. So we put pallets in and it brings pallets out all automatically. This is a beacon. It's a very small batch-powered measuring device. It measures temperature and acceleration, and this is what we attach to all the motors.
It's battery powered, it needs no wires. Because of those factors, it opens up the opportunity to measure the condition of our equipment right across the plant. So we have our beacons placed on several motors around the plant, measuring in real time the temperature and the vibration level of that motor and broadcasting that information via a Bluetooth signal. Bluetooth signal gets sent to what we call gateway cubes. These cubes are converting that to traditional Wi-Fi and pushing that out to the internet using the IT network. That information is then stored in an application running in the cloud, which is collecting all of that vibration and temperature data from all of the sensors in the site. When something goes wrong, so for example a motor overheating, cloud application will sense that and it will immediately send an alert via email and mobile phone to whoever can respond quickly to the problem.
The Internet of Things is exploding. We're seeing trials and pilots going across the entire Coca-Cola system in a whole variety of areas, from consumer to telemetry information and others. The System IT Council architecture team has gotten together, again, 11 bottlers around the world participating to come up with a common architecture and framework to make sure that we get it right, that we don't build something that's obsolete, and that we can maximize our value across the entire system.
The Internet of Things is really getting more and more visibility and publicity across the entire KO ecosystem.
You know, traditionally we've had people interacting with each other through the internet, and what's happening more and more in the system space now is machines are starting to interact with people, people with machines, but then also machines with machines.
The benefit of the operation are potentially huge. If we look at the electric motors alone in Wakefield, they've had 25 unplanned failures in the last year. That's cost over 100 hours of production line downtime. Our innovation process within CCE is becoming a real pipeline for great new ideas, and for me this is a great example of something that came through our innovation process involving our IT technology team in the US, working with a small technology company there and bringing something forward to the stage where we can do a real proof of concept in a large-scale operation like this.
By learning more about the people and things around them, our Beacon platform helps Coca-Cola deliver contextually relevant information to the right people at the right place at the right time, in real time.
It's an exciting project to work on for 3 reasons. Firstly, because of the partnership approach with IT, engineering and technology, and the operations really working together. Secondly, because we are really bringing leading edge technology to the business to generate real value with huge possibilities. Thirdly, because I really do see this sensor technology as an early example of almost limitless possibilities.